nature, family. Our mixes make it easy for families to bond over baking, creating special moments in the kitchen. We focus on delivering the most delicious, all-natural ingredients so you can create memories that will last a lifetime. At Jeanette's All-Natural Bakery, we're more than just a mix company. We're a family, and we're committed to making your family's time together even sweeter. We believe in using only the best ingredients, free from artificial additives, preservatives, or dyes, so you can feel good about what you're putting in your body and sharing with your family. Jeanette's All Natural Bakery, bringing families together one bite at a time.